Hello everyone, I am Vinit Kumar Singh and I welcome you on Cat Crackers Club. So in the last session, we have started Cat 2023 slot 1 question. And we have completed the part 1 of 2023 slot 1 question. So there are 11 questions we have completed in the first part. So today we will start the second part of Cat 2023 slot 1 examination. So we will start from the question number 1. Question number 1 is Geeta sells two objects A and B at the same price, such that she makes a profit of 20% on object A and a loss of 10% on object B. If she increases the selling price such that A and B are still sold at equal price and a profit of 10% is made on object B, then the profit made on A will be nearest to. So Geeta sells two objects A and B at the same price. The selling price of the both product is same. But the first product he gets 20% profit and the second one he get 10% loss. And after she increased the selling price of the object B and get 10% profit, and the selling price at that time is also equal of both product A and B. Then we have to find how much profit A will be nearest to. Now, so we know that the fraction value of 20% is 1 by 5. First of all, we have to equate the selling price of product A and B. Now in the product A, she gets the total profit of 20%. So fraction value of the 20% 1 by 5. So 5 will act as a cost price. He gets the profit. Profit is 1. Now the selling price will be 6 unit. Now in the other case, she gets 10% loss. So fraction value of 10% is 1 by 10. Now the cost price of the second product, B product, is the A, is 10 unit, loss is 1, then SP of B is 9. But according to the question, the selling price of the first product and the second product is equal. Here the selling price is 6. Here now in the second case, selling price is 9. So we have to equate both the selling price. First of all, we will multiply by 2, 2 and 2. Now the cost price become 20, loss become 2 and selling price become 80. Multiply by 3. Why we are multiplying by 2 and 3? Because we have to equate the selling price, which is equal to 18, 3 and 10. Sorry, here's 3. It will be 15. Now, here is the selling price of the both A and B is equal. Cost price of the A is 15 and the cost price of the B is 20. Now move to the question. If she increases the selling price such that object A and B are still sold at an equal price and a profit of 10% is made on object B. Now the cost price of object B is 20. Now in this cost price, he get 10% profit after increasing the price of product B. So selling price become how much? He get 10% profit. 10% of 20 is 2. 20 plus 2, 22. Now the 22 is also a selling price of A. And cost price of A is 15. So how much profit she will get? 7. So in percentage, 7 upon 15 into 100. Now divided by 5, 3, 20. So it becomes 140 upon 3, which is equal to 47%. So option number A will be the right answer. When you divided 140 by 3, you will get 46.66%. Now we can write in the form of 47%. So option number A will be the right answer. Now, I hope you will understand the question. The question is very easy. First of all, you have to convert these percentage value in a fraction form. After that, you have to equate the selling price. Now the question become easy. So now move to the another question, question number 2. Brisky went on a 8-hour trip in a car. Before the trip, the car had traveled a total of x kilometer. Till then, when x is a whole number, and in palindromic. What is a palindromic? Palindromic means from the left hand side and the right hand side, the number will remain the same, just like 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. Now we will start from the left hand side, 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. The same will remain from the right hand side, 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. It's called palindromic number, like 3, 6, 8, 6, 8. Sorry, 6, 3. This is also palindromic number. From the left hand side and the right hand side, the number will remain the same. Now, come to the question. X remains unchanged when its digits are reversed. At the end of the trip, the car had traveled a total of 26,862 kilometers till then. This number again being palindromic. Now, before the trip has started, the number was palindromic. After the trip has completed, the number remained the palindromic. If the Brisky never drove at more than 110 km per hour, the total time taken is 8 hours and the maximum speed is 110 km per hour. Then the greatest possible average speed at which she drove during the trip in kilometer per hour was. So total distance, which is equal to 26862. Now this is a total distance before the trip and after the trip. Now distance traveled in trip. Distance travel. Time is 8 into speed of Brisky. So Brisky speed cannot be greater than 110. So we have to options are given 90, 100, 80 and 110. 4 options are given. We will put the value of speed of Brisky 90, 100, 80 and 110. And after that, we will subtract this number from 26862. Why we are subtracting? After subtracting this number from total distance, we will get a palindromic number. If in any of the option we will get the palindromic number, the answer will be correct one. So I started with 90. So if I put SB is 90, then the distance become 8 into 90, 720. Now I will subtract 720 from 26862. If I get the palindromic number, then my answer will be correct one. 720. Here is 2, 4, 1, 6, 2. Now this is not a palindromic number. Second one, SB is 100. Now D2 which is equal to 8 into 100. 800. Now again I will subtract 26862 minus 800. It will become 26062. Now 26062 is a palindromic number because from the left hand side and the right hand side, the number will remain the same. So we can say option number B will be the right one. So she has to travel at a speed of 100 km per hour, then she will get a palindromic number before the trip has started and after the trip has completed. So I hope you will understand this question. The question is easy. So option number B, 100 will be the right one. Now move to the next question. The amount of job that Amal, Sunil and Kamal can individually do in a day are in the harmonic progression. Kamal takes twice as much time as Amal to do the same amount of job. If Amal and Sunil work for 4 days, 9 days respectively, Kamal need to work for 16 days to finish the remaining job. Then the number of days Sunil will take to finish the job working alone is. Now the amount of job can individually do in a day means efficiency is given. efficiency of Amal, Sunil, and Kamal is given in the form of HP, harmonic progression. If the efficiency is given in the HP, then time will be given in AP. So HP, which is equal to inverse of AP, and efficiency is also inverse of time. Now the ratio of the efficiency is given in HP. Now the efficiency is given in HP, then their time will be given in a AP. Okay. So time. So first of all is Amal, Sunil, and Kamal. Now, first of all, we have to remember that their timing is given in a form of AP. Now, Kamal take twice as much time as Amal. Kamal take twice time, but the time is given in a form of AP. So, Kamal takes twice. So, we will take is 4x and the Amal take is 2x. Then Sunil will take 3x because the time taken by Amal, Sunil and Kamal are in AP. If the time is in AP, then efficiency which is equal to they are doing the same work. So the efficiency ratio will be 6x, 4x and 3x. Now the total work done which is equal to total work done. Now the Amal work for 4 days and the efficiency of the Amal is 6x. The total work done is 24x. Now Sunil work for 9 days. Time is given 9, efficiency is Sunil is 4, it becomes 36x. And Kamal need to work for 16 days and the efficiency of the Kamal is 3x, which is equal to 48x. Now this is the total work and we have to find the number of days Sunil will take to finish the job alone is. So divided by the efficiency of the Sunil. The efficiency of Sunil is 4x divided by 4x. First of all, we will eliminate the x from x. 4 is 6, 9, 12. When we add all these numbers, 6 plus 9 which is equal to 15, 15 plus 12, 15 plus 12, 27 days. Now, then Sunil can complete the whole work in 27 days. First of all, the efficiency is given in HP, then their time will be given in a AP. So after that, the time is given of the Kamal and Amal is given in the ratio, we can say in times. So from that, we have find the Amal, Sunil and Kamal time in AP. So which is equal to 2x, 3x and 4x. After that, we have to find the efficiency is 6x, 4x and 3x. Now apply the total work is this and divided by the total work by the efficiency of the Sunil, and then we will get the number of days taken by Sunil to complete the whole work. Now come next question. Arvind travel from town A to B and should be from B to A. Both starting at the same time along the same route. After meeting each other, Arvind takes 6 hours to reach the town B, while Shurbi takes 24 hours to reach town A. If Arvind travel at a speed of 54 km per hour, then distance in kilometer between town A and B which is equal to. So A or B, we have to find the distance between A and B. Now this is a town of A and B. After meeting each other, Arvind takes 6 hours to reach B. They meet at that point. Now the Arvind take 6 hours to reach B and Shurbi takes 24 hours to reach point A. Speed of the Arvind is given 54 km per hour. Now we have to know the one formula to solve this question. When they meet at a point and after that their time is given to complete their journey. And Arvind and Shurbi started from the same point, starting from a different point and are moving towards each other, but meet at a point P. After that, they complete their complete their distance in 6 hours and 24 hours. In this case, we will apply the one formula which is equal to S1 upon S2, which is equal to under root T2 upon T1. This formula is very important to solve these type of question. So S1 is the speed of Arvind. We will take 54. Speed of Shurbi. Time taken by Shurbi is 24 and Arvind is 6. So 54 upon speed of the Shurbi is equal to, here is 4, 2. Now the speed of Shurbi, which is equal to 27 km per hour. Now we have to find the distance which is equal to, now the Arvind takes 6 hours from P to B. Speed of the Arvind is 54, time taken is 6. So 54 into 6 plus the time taken by Shurbi to complete from P to A, which is equal to 24, into the speed of the Shurbi is 27, which is equal to 4 to 3 to 4 plus 6, 4, 8. Here is 2, 7, 9. So 972 km is the distance from A to B. So while solve this type of question, when both are moving towards each other on the same track and after meeting, they reach their destination in different times, then we will apply the formula S1 upon S2, which is equal to T2 upon T1. I hope you will understand this question. Now move toward the next question. These questions are very simple, but you have to practice a lot. Anil invest 22,000 for 6 years in a certain scheme with 4% interest per annum, compounded half yearly. Half yearly means the rate of interest become half and the time become double. Sunil invest in the same scheme for 5 years and then reinvest the entire amount received at the end of 5 years for 1 year at 10% simple interest. If the amount received by the both at the end of 6 years are same, then the initial investment made by Sunil in rupees is. Now Anil invest 22,000 for 6 years at the rate of 4% per annum compounded half yearly. While the Sunil invest the same in the same scheme for 5 years, not for the 6 year, and last 1 year he invest in simple interest at the rate of 10% per annum. But at the end of 6 years, both are getting the same amount. So we have to find the initial amount, principal. How much amount does Sunil has invested in the scheme? So we know that the formula's amount is in the compound interest is principal 1 plus R by 100. Now it is compounded half yearly is given. The rate become half and time become double. Time become 12 and rate become 2. Now Sunil is also invest in the same scheme. The amount is P for 5 years. Now this amount is also invest for the 10% per annum at simple interest. Now at the end of the 1 year, after this amount is invested at simple interest, he will get 10% more of this amount. The same amount is applied for the simple interest. So we will directly multiply by 11 by 10 because he is getting 10% more of that amount. So directly we will multiply 11 by 10. Now here we will get 22,000. Here is 10, here is 12. We will divide it. Then we will get 1 plus 2 by 100 power 2, which is equal to P into 11 by 10. Now here is 50. So we will multiply by 51 by 50, 51 by 50, which is equal to P into 11 by 10. Now we will solve for the P. P is equal to 2051 into 51 upon 50 into 50 into 11 into 10. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 से 0, then cancel. Here is 11, 200, 5, 40, 5 is 8. 51 into 51, which is equal to, here is 51 and then 5, 25, 106, 206, 2601, 808, 412, 420, sorry. So now the principal becomes 20,808. So the Sunil will invest 20,808 5 years for the same scheme and the 1 year at the simple interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Then he will get the same amount as Anil is getting. So so the answer will be 20,810 will be the right answer. Now, next question. Let C be the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. And L be the locus of the point of intersection of the pair of tangent C. And the angle between the two tangent equal to 60 degree, then the point at which L touch the line x is equal to 6. Now the equation of the circle is given x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. And L be the locus of the point of intersection of a pair of tangent to C with the angle between the two tangent equal to 60 degree. And both tangent are making 60 degree angle with each other. Then the point at which L touch the line. The point L touch the line x is equal to 6 means the x-axis is given 6. So we have to find the point at which. Now we have to find at what point where x and y both coordinate, where we will put x and y so that when we draw a tangent to the circle, they will make 60 degree to each other. First of all, we will draw a circle. Then two tangents are there. At that point, we will make the two tangent, the first one and the second one. This is the center. Of the circle. Now this is also a line. We will draw for further uses. Now here is center is C. Now the equation is given x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. And we know that the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2fx plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. So from here, 4x and minus 6y, we will get the coordinate of the center, which is equal to minus 2 and 3. Here is minus. Now, so coordinate is minus 2 and 3. And radius is equal to under root of minus 2 square plus 3 square minus minus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. So radius, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now radius is 4. Here is 90-degree angle. This is 30, 30. This is 60-degree angle. Now apply the sine rule. And we have to find the A, this is A, B, C, and this point is P. Now, we will apply the sine rule. Sine rule is tan sine 30 upon CB, which is equal to sine 90 upon CP. Now we have to find the value of CP. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. CB is 4. Sine 90 is 1. CP. So here is CP is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now, so we have to find the locus of the point where x is equal to 6. Now in the option, all the options are given, the x-axis is 6. So we have to find the coordinate of the P. So which is equal to 6 and y. So first of the coordinate will be 6 and the second one we have to find. Distance from C to P is 8 centimeter and coordinate of the C is minus 2 and 3. So we have to, we know that the formula to find the length of the line, which is equal to x minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is equal to square of the side of the line. Clear? Means 6 minus 2 whole square, 6 minus 2 minus 2. We know that 6 minus minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, which is equal to the square of the length. The length is 8. So 6 minus 2 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 8 square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 8 square. 8 squares cancel, then y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, x is equal to 6, so the coordinate will be 6, 3. So option number 4th one will be the right answer. So the point which is equal to 6, 3. So option number 4 is the right answer. Now move to the next question. A quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle such that AB ratio CD 2:1, BC ratio AD is 5:4. If AC and BD intersect at a point E, then we have to find the ratio of AE and CE equal to. Again, we have to form first of all a circle and a triangle and a quadrilateral into it. Now, they are intersecting at point E. So A, B, C, and D, and they are intersecting at a point E. AB and CD, AB 2, CD is 1, BC is 5, and AD is 4. And we have to find the ratio of AE and CE, this one. So AE ratio, CE we have to find. Now, in this case, when a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, yeah, we can say a cyclic quadrilateral are there, and we have to find the ratio of AE and EC, a point where the two diagonals cut each other. Then in this case, then the multiply of these two number, which is equal to which is ratio in a ratio of multiply of these two numbers. Now is the property of a is a property of a cyclic quadrilateral. When we have to find the AE upon EC, then the product of the side of AD and AB ratio, which is equal to the product of the side of BC and DC. So here we will get the answer is 4 into 2 is 8, ratio 5 into 1 is 5. So the ratio of AE into CE, which is equal to 8 ratio 5. This is the simplest form you have to remember is a property of the cyclic quadrilateral. So you can directly apply this property and you will get your answer. Otherwise, you have to equate the angles like that. This angle alpha, which is equal to this alpha, and after that, by applying this form, you have to equate the similarity of the two triangles. After you have to similar two triangles, then you will get your answer is the ratio of AE and CE in the form of 8 by 5. Otherwise, you have to remember this term, this property, when you have to find the ratio of AE and EC, yeah, a point where two diagonals are cut, then we will directly multiply these two numbers. If we have to find DE upon EB, ratio of DE and EB, then we will multiply 4 into 1 and 2 into 5. So I hope you will understand this property. Now by applying this property, you can easily solve your question. Now next one. In a right angle triangle ABC, the altitude AB is 5 centimeter and the base BC is 12 centimeter. P and Q are 2 points on BC such that the areas of triangle ABP, ABQ and ABC are in a arithmetic progression. So the areas of ABP, ABQ and ABC are in AP. If the area of ABC is 1.5 times the area of ABP, then length of PQ is centimeter. We have to find. First of all, we will make a right angle triangle. There is 2 points on BC. So altitude AB is given 5 centimeter and BC is given 12 centimeter. P and Q are the point on BC. P, this point is P and this point is Q. And ABP, ABP, ABQ and ABC this are in AP. If area of ABC is, now the first of all area of triangle ABC, 1 by 2 into base into height. Height is 5, base is 12, is 30. If 1.5 times the area of ABP, area of triangle ABP, which is 1.5 times of this one. So 30 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Now the area of the triangle is ABP is 20 centimeter. Now AB P. ABP is 20 centimeter and we have to find the length of PQ. Now, ABC, ABP, ABQ, ABP, ABQ and ABC are in arithmetic progression. Here is 30, here is 20. Now we have to find so length of BP. Length of BP is 2 into 20 upon 5, which is equal to 8 centimeter. ABP, then 40 divided by this. Now we have to find the PQ, and ABP, ABQ and ABC are in AP. So now this triangle is ABC is 30, ABP is 20. Now ABQ, area of triangle ABQ, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Then these three numbers are in AP. ABQ is 10 centimeter. Then length BQ. BQ, which is equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 2 into 10 divided by 5, 4 centimeter. ABP, this one, ABQ. Now, the points are wrong. Sorry. So we have taken the points is here is P and here is Q. Then here is P and here is Q. So, one second. Because P and Q are the points on BC, and area of ABP this one, ABQ this one, and ABC this one, the 1, 1, 1. Then these three area of the triangle will be in AP. Sorry. Not 4 again. So this term will be the wrong. Now remember these point P and Q in an examination, don't be so fast. So ABP is equal to 20 centimeter. Then length of BP, 2 into 20 upon 5, 8 centimeter. Now this is 20 and whole is 30. Now we can take this 25 and whole is 30. Now then 20, 25 and 30 will be in AP. Now length of BQ, 2 into 25 upon 5, 10 centimeter. BP is 8, BQ is 10 centimeter. Getting my point? So here is P and Q point are there, and these three triangles ABP, ABQ and ABC are in AP. The first one is 20, the last one is 30, so remaining will be 25. Now the area of the triangle of ABP is 20. Height is 5. Then the base BP, which is equal to 8 centimeter. ABQ, the area of the triangle is 25, the whole area of the triangle, and the height is 5. Then base will be 10 centimeter. So BQ is 10, BP is 8, and we have to find the length of PQ. PQ. So PQ length, which is equal to 10 minus 8, 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. 8, 10, 12. So either they are asking for the PB is 2 centimeter and they are asking for the BC, QC, which is also a 2 centimeter. So our answer will be the length of PQ, which is equal to 2 centimeter. I hope you will understand the question. Question was very easy, but we took the point P and Q at a different place. That's why it becomes some lengthier solution. Otherwise, the question is very easy. Now, next question. The number of all natural number up to 1000 with non-repeating digit is. Now we have to find how many numbers from 1 to 1000 where the digits are non-repeating. No, sorry, natural number 1 to 1000. 1 to 1000, we have to find out the numbers where all the numbers are different, non-repeating numbers are there. Means when we have to select the number like 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, not 2, 2, 3, 3. Repeating of the number is not allowed. So first of all, we will find from 1 to 9. So how many numbers are there 1 to 9 where digits are non-repeating? 9. 10 to 99. So how many numbers are in between 10 to 99 where digits are non-repeating? So we have two places. At the first place, we can put 0 to 9. Here is a 10 to 99, 1 to 9. So our possibilities are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 9. So possibilities are 9. And the second place, there also a possibility of 9 because one number will be eliminated and the 0 will come. So again, there is a 9 possibility. 81. Here is 9. Now come to 100 to 999. 3 possibilities are there. At the first place, there is only 9 number we can put. Now the second place, we can also put a 9 number, and the third place, 8 number are there. Here is 72. 81. 648 will be the answer of this calculation. Now we will add all these numbers: 648, 81, and 9. 10, 80, 1, 3, 7. So answer will be 738. Option number D will be the correct answer. So how many numbers are there between 1 to 1000 where digits are non-repeating? So numbers are 738. Next question. For some positive and distinct real numbers x, y, z, if 1 under root y plus under root z is a arithmetic mean of 1 upon under root x plus under root z and 1 upon under root x plus under root y. Now the first number 1 upon under root y plus under root z is a arithmetic mean of these two numbers. Then relation which will always hold true is, means twice of this, which is equal to 1 upon under root x plus under root z plus 1 upon under root x plus under root y. When we will apply these four options in this equation. Now, if you are getting which of the following option will be the right one? So first of all, we will put the value of x, x, y, z, y, z, x in the way which is given in the option. So first option is y, x, z are in AP. Y, x, z is AP. So we will put as 1, y is 1, x is 2, and z is 3. and these three values are put in this equation. If we are getting the equation is correct, then option A will be the right one. Now, twice of 1 upon under root y is 1, under root z is 3. After solving this, we will get 2 into under root 3 minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to, now the left hand side is under root 3 minus 1. Now solve the right hand side is under root x plus under root z. 1 upon under root x is x, 2. Under root z is under root 3 plus 1 upon under root x is under root 2 plus under root y is 1. Now after solving it, so under root 3 minus under root 2 plus under root 2 minus under root 1. After solving this equation, we will get under root 3 minus under root 2 plus under root 2 minus under root 1. So under root 2 cancel here, we will get under root 3 minus 1. So under root 3 minus 1 in the right hand side and under root 3 minus 1 in the left hand side. So we can say option number A will be the right one. So we can say y, x and z are in AP. So because they are in AP, we have to put the value as 1, 2, 3. These three terms. So 1, 2, 3 are also in AP and also satisfying this equation. So we can say option number A will be the right one. Now next one. A lab experiment measured the number of organisms at 8 a.m. every day, starting with 2 organisms on the first day, and the number of organisms on any day is equal to 3, more than the twice number of on previous day. If the number of organisms on the 9th day exceeds 1 million, then the lowest possible value of n is. Now, at the starting of day first, at 8 a.m., the number of organisms was 2. Second day, now in the second day, it become 3 more than twice the number. Twice is 4 plus 3 is 7. Third, twice of it 14, 14 plus 3, 17. Fourth, 34 plus 3, 37. Fifth, 37 into 2, 74 plus 3, 77. Up to so on. Now, first of all, we will see the difference is 5. Here is 10. Here is 20. Here is 40. So these terms are in GP. 5, 10, 20 and 40. The first term is 5 and their ratio is 2. So first of all, and then we can find the value of ANth. ANth is a term, is a number of organisms nth day exceed 1 million. 1 million means 10 lakh. So we have to find the minimum number of days, nth day, where the population, the numbers of organisms will be greater than 1 million. But these are the difference. At the nth day, it will be more than 10 lakh. And the n minus 1 day, it will be a 5 lakh. So there is a difference is 5 lakh in between them. Because they are double plus 3 means 5 lakh plus 3 will be there in between them. So we have to find the first term is 5 and the nth term is 5 lakh. And we have to find the value of n. So an formula is AR n minus 1. Nth term is given not 10 lakh, is a 5 lakh, which is difference. See the difference. We have to find the difference here 5, 10, 20, 40, up to 5 lakh. 5 lakh is a difference between the number of organisms at n minus 1 day and n day. There is a difference. And we are putting the GP in a difference of the numbers. So first term is nth term, an. is 5 lakh, not 10 lakh. First term is 5, A R n minus R is 2. And n minus 1 will be there. N minus 1 is number of terms which is given. So after calculating here 5 lakh divided by 5, it is become 1 lakh. To n minus 1. After solving this term, you will get when you will get the term is 1 lakh. At what value of 2 power of 2, where you get a value nearest about 10 lakh, nearest about 1 lakh. Now, 1 second. Here's a difference. We are calculating the difference now. So it become 2 power near about 18, where you will find the term is 1 lakh. So it's 2. So here the power is 2 power not 18, is 17. Here is 2 power is 17. Near about 17. When you get the term is greater than 1 lakh. Now 2 is common, base is common, then n minus 1, which is equal to 17, then n is equal to 18. Now this 18 in between 5 lakh to 10 lakh. It is the term of n minus 1. Then nth term will be n plus 1, which is equal to minimum number is 18 plus 1. So we are getting the difference of these two numbers, not starting from 2 to last term. Here is the difference. So we will add one more number. So minimum days will be 19 days. 19 days are required when the number of organisms exceed 1 million, which is equal to 19. I hope you will understand the solution of the question. So in these two sessions, the session number 1, we have completed the part 1 of CAT 2023 slot 1 questions, and part 2 we have completed the remaining question of the slot 1. So I hope you will understand all the question. All the solution are very easy. You can first attempt yourself. After that you are not getting the answer, then you watch the video. So I hope you will understand all these things. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.